A very good morning, children. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, chapter 9, algebraic expressions and identities. Now, algebraic expressions is not something that is new to you because you have done algebra in class 6 also, and expressions you have done in class 7 also, right? So let us quickly recapitulate what are expressions. What is an expression? Expression consists of some variables and constants and some mathematical operations. For example, x plus 3 is an expression. There is a variable, there is a constant and mathematical operation of plus. This is an expression. Example. Another example is 2x. Another example is 3y square plus 7. So these are all expressions. We have some constants, some variables and some mathematical operations. So this is an expression. So now we will understand in this chapter, the first thing that we will understand is the terms, factors and coefficients in the expressions. Okay, for example, I first take up an expression. The first expression I am taking up is 4x plus 5. Now here, how many terms does this expression has? Now terms, how to identify the terms? Terms are always separated by plus or minus sign. Where multiplication is taking place, that is one term. Now 4 is multiplied with x, so this is one term only. So terms are separated by plus sign or minus sign. So this expression has two terms. One is 4x and the other one is 5. So two terms are there. Now talking about the coefficients. Now what is a coefficient of a term? Coefficient, when we are asked about the coefficient, numerical coefficient, right? Now in the term 4x, the coefficient, the numerical coefficient, that means the number which is multiplied with x, that is 4. So 4 is the coefficient of this term. Simple coefficient means numerical coefficient, the number in that term. Now in this term, this is a constant term already, no variable. So the coefficient is itself, the number is itself, that is 5. So terms are 4x and 5. And coefficient of first term is 4, coefficient of second term is 5. Let us take up another example. Suppose we have 3x minus 2y. This is the expression. Now the terms in this expression are 3x is the first term and minus 2y is the second term. As I told you, the terms are separated by minus sign or plus sign. So these are the two terms. Now the coefficient in the first term, that means the number, the numerical coefficient, the number in the first term is 3, and the numerical coefficient or simple coefficient in the second term is minus 2. Now here you have to take care that you have to take the number along with the sign, right? The sign, the negative sign will come along with the number. So I hope this thing is clear to you. Let us take one last example. The expression I am taking is x by 2 plus y by 2 minus xy, right? So here we have three terms. There is a plus sign, there is a minus sign. So we have three terms, x by 2, y by 2 and minus xy. Children, whenever you're writing the terms, you have to write them along with their sign. The signs will come along with them. So these are the three terms, first, second and third. Now the coefficient of the first term is 1 by 2. The number in the first term is 1 by 2. In the second term, it is again 1 by 2. And in the third term, there is no number we can see. So that means it is 1 because x, y variables multiplied with 1. No number means it is 1. And the coefficient will be minus 1. Don't forget to write the sign. So it will be minus 1. I hope the concept of terms and coefficients is clear to everyone. Thank you so much.